Studio Philippines marked the first release of a 64-bit version of Visual Studio, allowing it to handle more significant workloads and larger solutions, improve performance and scalability, enhance support for modern development workflows, including better integration.
Lagi na.
And dealing to